Hi everyone, I'm Juliette and welcome back. And today we will begin our new 10 days 333 Pilates challenge. 333, so it's going to be 3 exercises. Each and every day we're going to do 30 reps for each and every exercise, and we're going to do it together through the 3 circuits. So get your commitments ready, prepare your water bottle, your passion, and set your mind for success. It's going to be pretty challenging and it's going to be pretty amazingly effective. So I will guide you through, guys, and you will do your best as always. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. Today our day 3 of 333 Pilates challenge. Today we're gonna do our leg pull in a plank, then we're gonna do front side back kick, and then we're gonna do the leg pull again but an upward plank. So let's begin with the warm-up. Let's get ready. Let's do our hundreds. Alright team, let's begin. In our tabletop position, make sure that your lower back nicely pressed into the floor. Extend those arms nicely, set your knees above your hips, and ready, set, go. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your feet steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't give up, team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 90. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. Wonderful job. All the way back. Great work, guys. Now I'm sure you're ready for the main part. Let's begin. Alright guys, so we will begin with the leg pull front. So let's begin in our plank. So let's make sure, of course, wrist, elbow, shoulder, set one on top another, so we have a good quality position, and we have a 30 repetitions. Kick nicely, engage legs towards the movement from the center, point your toes on that kick. Let's go do it together in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't give up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have only 10 left. 9, 8, 7. Exhale. 6, 5. Don't give up. 4. Stay with me. 3, 2. Nice kick. Excellent work, guys. Good job. So drink your water and let's get ready for the second exercise. Alright guys, front back side kick. So let's begin here by taking our pose fit about 25-35 degrees forward for more stability. Make sure that you are not sinking down towards that hand. It's a nice and tall position. Your hand just simply supporting that head. So put your front hand up front. And we're simply going to do kick, kick, point, back to the center, and we will continue. We do 15 reps on the one side and the 15 reps on another side. Are you ready? Set and go, guys. 1, 2, back, center. 1, 2, back, center. 1, 2, back, center. 4, 4, back, center. 5, 5, point, center. 6, 6, point, nicely center. 7, 7, all the way center. 8, 8, don't swing that flag. Forward, forward, back, good. Forward, forward, point, nicely back. 11, back, center. 1, 2, back, that's 12. 13, forward, back, center. 14, 14, back, point, center. 15, 15, back, point, center. Excellent job. Let's turn around. Again, guys, make sure that you don't think and slip into that arm. Put your feet about 25-35 degrees in. Strong powerhouse, strong core. Stop your hips. Take your hand on the front and go, guys. Flex, flex, point, return. 2, 2, point, return. 1, 2, point, return. Up, up, point, return. 5, 5, point, return. 6, 6, all the way back. 7, 7, I got you counting. 8, 8, point, and back. Good job, good job. 9, and back, guys. 10, 10, point, back, receive. 11, all the way back. Center. 12, 12, point nicely back. 13, 13, keep that core going. 14, 14, point back. Center. Last one, don't give up. Point back. Wonderful. Excellent job, guys. Get ready for the third exercise. Great job, guys. So leg pull back. We're gonna start in an upside down plank. We're gonna do 10, 10, and 10 with a little tiny short breaks in between just to take a breath. So let's go ahead and send the hands behind and extend those legs. It's gonna be very challenging. So find a good position for the wrist so it's nice and healthy, stuck underneath the shoulders. And we're ready. We set. We go point those toes. Keep the abs tight, glutes connected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, guys. Sit back. Just keep your hands where it is so you have the position nice and set up. Ready, set, and go. Hips up, connect, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, guys, stronger, hips connected. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Sit back, hold the hands behind. Very good job. Take a breath or two. If you need to stop the video, then come back right away. Hips up, engage the glutes towards the movement from the center. Point those toes nicely, go. 1, 2, higher. 3, 4, chest up. 5, 6, 7, 8, almost there. 9, 10. Woo, fantastic job. Circuit 1 complete. Stay hydrated. Get ready for the circuit 2. Alright, guys, circuit 2. Great job on the circuit 1. We're back to the leg pull sprint. So let's go ahead, find our position, stay strong, good foundation, flat palms. Make sure that you keep those abs engaged, and let's go do it together in 1, 2, good kick, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, abs tight, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, good kick, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have only 10 left. 9, 8, 7, guys. 6, 5, abs strong. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic job, guys. So stay hydrated. Get ready for the second exercise. Good work, guys. We back to our front back side kick. So make sure you keep that core nice and strong. Draw the leg from the glute. Don't think in that arm. Let's go do it. We're gonna go 1, 1. Point back strong. Connect, connect. Point back and strong. Up, forward. Point back strong. Flex it. Point back and strong. 5. Point back strong. 6, 6. Point back. 7, 7. Point back. 8, 8. Nicely point. 9, 9. All the way and back. 10, 10. Point and return. 5 left. Back, center. 4 left. Back. Point, center. 3 left, guys. Back. point, center. Only 2, good quality kick, back. One more, kick, kick through the core and back. Excellent. Let's turn around. Let's make sure, guys, that you don't sink in that arm too much. Take your feet slightly up front, 25-35 degrees. Pull your stomach in, keep on breathing, keep your breath natural. If you need to count yourself, you can. And let's go do it. 1, point, back. 2, point, back. 3, flex, nice, good point. 4, nice, good point. 5, strong leg, good. Then left. 1, 2, back, point. 4, back, point. 3, back, point. 2, back, point. Stay connected all the way through the leg, guys. Breathe. 5 left, point, and back. 4 left, good, quality kick. 3 left, kick, good point, back. 2 left, point, and back. 1 left, point, and back. Excellent job, guys. Get ready for the third exercise. All right, guys, back to leg pulls back. So side plank, good connection with your mat. Extend those legs, 10, 10, and 10 with a tiny little short breaks. Engage those glutes, activate the abs. We will do it together. Let's go do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, breathe. 9, 10, and all the way back. Remember, inhalation from the nose, exhalation through the mouth in our Pilates breath. Ready, set, no big breaks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, engage the kneecaps. 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Take it back. Take a breath or 2. Get all the power you have. We ready? We set. We go. We do it together. And 1, 2, strong arms. 3, abs tight. 4, glutes connected. 5, 6, longer legs. 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful job. Let's stretch. Reach the arms up. Stretch them back. Excellent work. Circuit 2 complete. Stay hydrated. Get ready for the circuit 3. All right, guys, good job. Circuit 3. Let's get back to our leg pull sprint. So good, strong foundation. Keep those kicks nice and strong. Point your toes, kneecaps engaged. Let's go do it together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, good point. 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, 10, 9, 8, 7, abs tight. 6, 5, good job. 4, 3, strong arms. 2, 1, we have 10 left. 1, good kick, good kick, good kick. In 5, 6, 7, collarbone spine. 8, 9, and 10. Excellent job, team. So, all right, so get ready for the second exercise, front back kick now. All right, team, fantastic commitment. We back to our front back side kicks. We're gonna do our best. If you need to stop the video, take a break, then come back. Please do it. Do your best. I'm not gonna let you down. All right, guys, ready? Set, only 15 on each side. 1, 2, point, back. 1, 2, point, return. 1, 2, point, return. 1, 2, point, return. 1, 2, point, 5 complete. 1, 2, point, return, guys. 1, 2, from the core. 3, point, back. 2, point, nicely. Don't throw the leg. 1, 2. One more. Up, 10, complete, 5 left, 1, 2, point, nicely, draw it, 1, 2, point, nicely, 3 left, 1, 2, point, complete, 1, 2, good point, complete, in 1, in 2, point back, beautiful. Let's turn around, and we can't forget our other side. So make sure that you just support your head. You don't think too much down, don't fall asleep, pull your stomach in, breathe, just breathe normally. Make sure that you're breathing, inhalations through the nose, exhalations through the mouth, and go forward, forward, point, center, forward, forward, point, center. Guys, flex, flex, point, center, flex, flex, point, nicely, flex foot, flex it, point, draw back through the center, 5 complete, forward, point, 6, 7, 7, point, back, 8, 8, keep that leg 90 degrees, 9, 9, point, back, 10, 10, all the way, I feel it guys, 1, back, center, 2, back, we have last 3 guys, 3, point, back, 2, kick it nicely but not too much, 1, back, in, finish it up, excellent job. We're getting ready to complete our circuit 3. Alright team, leg pull back, so we go back to our upside down plank, so make sure that your wrist set up properly, it doesn't hurt you, hips up, connect through the glutes, ready, set, we will finish it together, go, 1, 2, 3, 4, abs tight, 5, 6, point the toes, 7, 8, 9, 10, beautiful, hips back down, take a breath or 2, ready, set, let's do it together guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, so the movement from the center, 5, 6, 7, 8, I feel it, 9, 10, I know team, it's circuit 3, we can do it, ready, set, activate those abs, glutes, legs, go, come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no pain, no gain, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, excellent, wonderful job guys, fantastic, we just completed circuit 3. That was a true strong workout guys, wonderful job. We just have completed day 3 of our 333 Pilates challenge. So recover well, eat well, keep your healthy commitments. Don't forget to comment and like the video, let me know how you feel, and I will see you tomorrow.